As the calendar turns to a new year, we are blessed with the gift of new beginnings. 2025 invites us to embrace a fresh new start, to be inspired by God's enduring love, and to respond faithfully to His call. This is a time for hope, reflection, and renewal, a season to write resolutions, not just on paper, but upon our very hearts. The new year is an opportunity to see ourselves as God sees us, full of potential, capable of growth, and ready to become the best versions of ourselves. Let us take this time to set intentions not only for personal growth, but also for how we might contribute to the flourishing of our families, communities, our church, and the world. May these resolutions become our prayers, not just for ourselves, but for all whom we encounter. As we journey into 2025, let us begin with gratitude for the year that has passed. It is right to discern on the beginnings we've received, the lessons we've learned, and even the storms that have shaped us. In the world, God has been present, leading and sustaining us. Let us look back with thanksgiving and look forward with hope, trusting that God's guidance will brighten every step ahead. This new year is a beautiful opportunity to focus on what truly matters as we recenter our priorities amid the hustle and noise of life. May we recommit ourselves to love more, as Jesus reminded us, the greatest commandment is to love the Lord with all our heart, soul, mind, and strength, and to love our neighbors as ourselves. This call to love is more than a resolution. It is a way of life. This commandment of love is the blueprint that guides us through life's uncertainties. May we embrace it with renewed vigor this year, finding ways to serve, forgive, and bless those around us. The new year is also a reminder that no matter what challenges lie ahead, it will come to pass because God is with us. He has given us the greatest blessings of all, Jesus Christ, the Savior who walks alongside us in every moment of our lives. No matter what this year holds, whether joys to celebrate or challenges to face, we carry with us the assurance that we are never alone in this journey. The Lord who blessed us with the Savior is the same God who sustains us daily with His mercy and strength. His love is the light that will guide us through every dark valley and every uncertain path. Let us move forward in faith, assured that God's grace will sustain through and through. As we welcome 2025, my prayer for each of us is that this year will be filled with true peace, hope, love, and joy. May we experience God's blessings in abundance and be inspired to share them with others, because each new year is always a call to action. May we live each day as a new opportunity to grow in faith, to love deeply, and to serve generously. A blessed new year to all of us. God bless.